Fresco's step-by-step recipe format works with you to keep chaos to a minimum and ensure great results. A feature of the Fresco recipe app is the ability to scale recipes up and down depending on how many people you want to serve. Let's open this recipe. You'll see that here it says it serves 6 people. As I scroll down into my ingredients section, I notice that I have each ingredient along with the quantity needed. But let's say, for instance, I'm only going to be cooking for 2 people. And once I scroll down, the recipe is automatically updated and shows me exactly how much I will need for each ingredient. And then I can select Start Cooking, and all of my quantities are automatically updated into the Smart Recipe format. With Fresco's scaling feature, you can feel confident in knowing you'll have consistent and delicious results every time.